Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about R justification by R justified number of spaces given after the before the text, not after, before the text. How it is going to be possible? If you remember L justification, where the after the spaces will be added when you going to write the extra number of lines of word, and before the justification will done R just. How? See, suppose there is a text called apple, and here x equal to add this text dot r just 20, then print that x comma my favorite fruit. Fine. See apple here, then my favorite fruit, then there is a right. Okay, you have to see the R justification means. What is the R justification means? There is the 20 character spaces will be added before the apple. Okay, if there is a left justification after the this text which is my favorite food, then in between the word there is going to be space like this banana. See, this is the difference between R just, L just. L just before the text which will be added further, that is the going the L just, and after right just means right side of the particular now data or string or array which is going to be print will be added extra character spaces which will be defined inside the function, that is the 20. Fine. So this is the way where you can declare all the functions how R just, L just work. Fine. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there. Please share this video. Please subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon, and future any videos I am going to upload it, you get the notification. Thank you.